I've got you. You're safe now.
You're safe now. I'm here to help you.
It's all right, I'm here to help. Soft, strained, panting. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm here to help the cub. You're still here. Stay back. He's breathing, I can help him. Don't touch him. I'm just leaving this here for him. I want to help. You're freezing. Just let me help. I need to help you. I'm just here to help. Just want to help your pup. You're safe now. I've got you. Stay warm. Low growls and whimpers. You're safe now, Mother. Come on, in here. It's warm. The cub needs rest. Come in. It's safe here. Follow the warmth. You're safe now. I'm here to help. Don't come any closer. Keep close, little one. It's safe now. I've got you, little one. It's working. Stay with me. I've got you, little one. The water's ready. It's okay, little one. It's warm. Just a little. That's it. Good girl. Come on, little one. Just a little bit. That's it. Good job. Come on, little one. That's it. All right, little one, let's get that ice out. Just a second.
Soft whimpers.
Keep warm, little one. The worst is over. Calm down, it's all right. She's helping him. You're all right, little one. It's warm now. Whimper. Shh, I'm here. Soft growl. You're doing so well, little one. Come on, just a little bit more. Whimpering and soft growls. There, that should keep you both warm. Just rest now. Getting a bit worse out there. Whimper. You're doing so well, little one. This is for you, okay? Nice and easy. One, 2, 3. Whimper. Just breathe, little one. Come on. Low growl. 4, 5. Keep fighting. No, not enough. I'll have to go back out. Just hold on. I have to go. It won't last much longer out there. I'm just going out for a moment. Be strong for the cub. I'll be right back. The storm's getting worse. I need to get this back for him quickly. You're safe now. Keep fighting, little one. Keep back. I got the ice. Just need a minute. Keep still, little one. The herbs will help. Just breathe.
Whimper softly.
That's it. Good girl. You've got it, little one. Keep trying. I'm here. I've got you. It's okay. Good job.
You did well, little one. It's almost time.
Yes, I know. Soon.
All right, little one. One last warm meal. Go on, you two. It's a calm morning. Oh, whimper. Just right for you to stretch your legs. You are strong now. Go on. You're strong enough now. Go. Be safe.